Hey guys, today is my dog's day to shower. I shower him every month because of his curly hair. I'll show you my dog, but let me get the water ready. When he was little, he liked showering. Now that he's getting older, he doesn't like it. Okay, pretty good water. Let me show you my dog. Come on. I'm sorry if I speak English and Spanish. This is him. He's turning 4 in June. And I'll show you the shampoo I use for him. I used to use the wash that you use for the dishes, the Dawn. But I found a new one. Okay. Make sure you get wet. He's not a dirty dog, but I do use gloves. His little thing to rub him, and his brush. This side to brush him, and this one to get his hair out. Where did I leave your shampoo? Maybe they moved it. I think they moved it. While you get soap, I'm gonna find you some soap. Okay, so the brand is a 2-in-1 fresh shampoo and conditioner, tea tree and aloe. 16. I'll just show it to you guys. It's this one. And it's also so that he doesn't get pink. Let me get this down so that I can tuck him. It is, this, so that he can get soaked. Sorry if you can't see me. I'm not using the camera, I'm using my phone. Oh. I'm gonna check the water again. There you go. Good. I'm just soaking him. Like he can get wet. His towel. I also bought it. He usually dries outside. When it's warm outside, when it's cold, he dries in his little bell tower. Sorry for the bad English. It's a good weather for. Okay. I'm gonna leave it down. It's gonna go all over the place, but oh my god. Why? You can kind of see me. You can't really see him. I wish I had a better day. I'm saving up money for a camera. So, what's on? Doesn't matter if I get my watch wet. And then a video is gonna come up of me cleaning my room. I'm currently just finishing up laundry. So You don't really need to see that, you know, just going up and down from the laundry. We have it in the basement. We're gonna put some in. And also on his little little foot thing. And I'm always making sure the water is good. Jumping, I'm wearing gray. I know I'm just starting the channel, but subscribe, like this video, even though you can't really see the dog. I'm trying to find a better angle. Micha, good boy. Patita. Look at Patita. Give me your leg, boy. You're not that dirty. It was just, you smell because it rained. And also rain after I showered you. Yes. Yes, I am the owner and the one who showers him. When I clean the tub, I use Clorox and the dish soap, and that's pretty much how his routine is. It's not that bad. Is this too hot? Oh no, it's not. Misha, you weren't that dirty today. You just brush your hair. Oh, this is over here. I know you look really cute things because of the haircut you got. And he doesn't go to he only goes to the vet if he gets sick or and for his shots. But he usually doesn't get sick. Let's see, you lost it here. Oh, you did. You need this shit in a little bit. His face doesn't really shed, but I was brushing his muscles. Then you get the shampoo out. Oh no. This time he actually let it down. Clean him. Maybe because I let him play before I started. Let's put the water down. Make it up over here up. To put this where this goes. You did a great job. I'm gonna take the glove down only because I'm using Clorox after. Again, the brand I used for him. I forgot where I got it. I think it was Petco. is his owl. He's not big, but spoiled. Right after this, I washed where we shower while he's drying. Let's get you out. Dry you. Legs, ears. Not exactly easier than it usually is. And then he's a little man. I'm gonna put him to dry, and I'll be right